A big hello to all you corporate managers out there. I'm Shikha and I'd like to take this opportunity to throw some light on how ITM is grooming its next generation global managers.
ITM is more than an institute. It's a thought, a mission to achieve, a vision of the future. ITM has been consistently ranked among the top 25 business schools in India.
Well, being admitted to ITM is not exactly a cakewalk. A very strict and intensive selection process decides who will be the future torchbearer of the ITM's legacy. It all begins with an extensive selection process, and the process isn't easy. Students are evaluated on the basis of their entrance test scores, written exams, group discussions, aptitude tests, and a whole lot of personal interviews.
ITM campuses are completely state-of-the-art in terms of academic infrastructure. Students and faculty are fully equipped with the latest in technology, with laptop computers, wireless networks and high-speed internet connectivity. But a totally close to real-life, hands-on teaching from the best trainers in the industry. Various seminars, guest lectures, industry visits, among all, help the students in their overall growth. They are more aware and better prepared for the life that awaits them outside the gates of the college.
To begin with, the training itself. The teaching methodology is very advanced and has been designed in a way that it focuses on building the basics of knowledge in any student.
Well, the whole campus is really friendly and quite comfortable. Not only do we focus on academics, but there are tons of activities that stress on soft skills like confidence building, leadership, teamwork and much more.
We've got movie clubs, we've got quiz contests, management fest. It's so great to get out of the classroom and see the outside world,
Sure, there are a lot of business schools to choose from. So why would you choose ITM for your recruitment needs? Well, ITM students have gained a reputation of being amongst the hardest working, never say die managers in the industry, with a pragmatic and focused understanding of business and management.
Hi, this is Amitabh Dalal and I've been working with Tata Asset Management Company Limited for some time now. And I've realized that whatever was being taught at ITM was just not theory based, but with practical exposure. And this is only possible when the curriculum is designed with close interaction with the industry after understanding the requirements and emerging trends.
And to think of one day, not long ago, there were unassuming students with a heart full of dreams. Look at them today, successfully making their destinies with their own efforts. This brings me to an important aspect of ITM, placements.
ITM's efficient placement team creates the most suitable environment for the visiting companies and students. The placement department is completely equipped to hold presentations, pre-placement talks, group discussions, interviews, etc. for companies who visit the campus every year.
As a recruiter, it's always a pleasure to come here to ITM and recruit, and we've been doing that over the last few years. The most important thing that we find about ITM and its students is mainly the attitude. We find a very good attitude over here.
When we look at ITM students from an industry perspective, they are well focused and well trained as future managers. And the pre-placement is so focused that we get the right candidates for the right job.
Hi, I'm Nisha Badlani, representing ThinkSoft Global Services Private Limited. We are an independent software testing company catering to the BFSI segment.
It's easy to see why ITM has become a preferred destination for the leading corporate houses in India and abroad.
ITM, a dream that began with the noble thought of imparting the best in education to all its seekers. It has sure come a long way fulfilling its vision, and this but is far from the end. The proverbial journey, to quote, has just begun. Today, with over 15 years of successful lineage, the ITM group of institutions has only matured into a temple of education. With every life that is made under its flag, a new spark, a new flame yet again is born to illuminate further the path to the future. We at ITM just don't make successful managers. We make winners for life.